हेलो फ्रेंड्स। मैं मोहित शर्मा फ्रॉम ग्लेडियस ओवरसीज प्राइवेट लिमिटेड से चंडीगढ़ से। जैसे कि आप सबको पता है कि हम टाइम टू टाइम आपके लिए कॉलेज एंड यूनिवर्सिटी का लाइव सेशंस लेके आते हैं ताकि आपके जो डाउट्स हैं वो क्लियर कर सकें। आज हम आपके साथ लेके आए हैं साइप्रस कॉलेज ऑफ अल्बर्टा, जो कि अल्बर्टा में है। और हमारे साथ आज ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं मिस जिया सिंह, इंटरनेशनल मैनेजर ऑफ साइप्रस कॉलेज। तो आज हम उनके साथ बात करेंगे, जो भी डाउट्स रहेंगे वो हम सब क्लियर करेंगे उनके साथ। हेलो मैम, गुड आफ्टरनून।
Hi, good afternoon, Mohit. Good to see you.
फाइन मैम, सॉरी फॉर लेट। थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल इशू के कारण थोड़ा सा लेट हो गए हम।
It's okay. I understand. Mohit, I'm sure I'm audible, right? I'm audible enough?
यस मैम।
Okay. Okay. So, guys, before I start the session, I would like to thank Gladius team who have given me this platform to speak to the students today, and special thanks to Mohit, who is being the host today. And thank you so much for having me here.
थैंक यू मैम।
Yeah.
मैम, साइप्रस कॉलेज के लिए हमारे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे साथ लाइव ज्वाइन कर चुके हैं, तो हमें साइप्रस कॉलेज के लिए थोड़ा सा बता दीजिए, ये
Sure.
लोकेशन क्या है और प्रोग्राम्स कौन से ऑफर कर रहे हैं हम।
Sure. Okay. So Cyprus College is a vocational college. It's a business career school. So मैं थोड़ा हिंदी थोड़ा इंग्लिश में इसको रखूंगी ताकि पेरेंट्स अगर हमें वॉच कर रहे हो तो उनको समझ में आए थोड़ा सेशन। सो हमारा कॉलेज एक वोकेशनल कॉलेज है। वी आर नॉट एन एकेडमिक स्कूल। हमारे यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ने के लिए तो आएंगे ही आएंगे। बेसिकली वी आर अ प्रैक्टिकल स्कूल। सो जो स्टूडेंट्स बेसिकली एकेडमिक कम और प्रैक्टिकल चाहते हैं, Cyprus College is one of a good option for them. And we are a business career school. So when I call it a business career school, it means people would come and choose us only for making their careers ahead. Obviously, people choose any college in Canada for making their career, but हम entirely practical है, इसलिए students हमें बहुत easily choose कर सकते हैं. And if you look at the history of Cyprus College, we opened our college in 2001. हमारा college 2001 से operate हो रहा है. And we've been serving Southern Alberta. हमारा जो location है वो है Alberta. The city, the province is Alberta and the city is Medicine Hat. उसको हम Southern Alberta कहते हैं. और हम बहुत सालों से Southern Alberta को मैन पावर प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. So basically what we do is we train the students and we place them into different opportunities. And we have been training untrained Canadians and we have been placing them into different opportunities since 20 years. And since 2015, we got our DLI number. We are a designated institute number, and we have been approved to get the students internationally since 2015. 2015 से हम इंडिया से स्टूडेंट्स रिक्रूट कर रहे हैं and we are looking forward to have students from India, from North region especially, because North region especially very hardworking students, and we are inviting the students for a hospitality program. So Mohit, अगर हम program की बात करें, we do have various programs with Cyprus College, but एक program जो कि बहुत ही interesting है और students should look at it is hospitality program for Cyprus College. The reason is very simple that एक mindset जो student की है that they want a work, they want placement, they want PR very quickly. So we have a complete package for the student, you know. We are a college which assures a guaranteed placement to all the eligible students. If the student have completed our program with 90% of academic completion with the complete attendance, we assure them a job in hotel and restaurant management sector. Okay, so that's the unique part about Cyprus College. Yes.
ओके मैम, प्रोग्राम कौन से हमारे पास बच्चों के लिए।
If you look at the website of Cyprus College, we do have more than 5 programs with us. We do have business management, which is again a very practical program with Cyprus College. It's a pathway program to a public college. So, if because we are a private school, क्योंकि हम private school है Canada में, हमारा second year articulation pathway चलता है. So, for business management program, we have an articulation pathway with Canada College. So the student would come up to Cyprus College for the first year, and second year they get the credit transfer to Canada College, and then they have the post-study work permit option. For one program that is very unique that I started in the beginning was hospitality program. For hospitality program, I would like to come in the depth because this is a very unique program for the student, because this is a 2-year program. The hospitality program that we have is a 2-year program. So coming to Cyprus College and hospitality program, why students should choose Cyprus College for their hospitality career is very simple, that Cyprus College is been training the management staff of the hotel since very, very long time. The faculties we have, the instructors we have, they are very, very experienced, and they have been training our student, the management staff of the hotel property in Medicine Hat since a very, very long time. And the good
Okay.
part about us is that we work very close to the employers. You know, this is something which is going to be benefiting the student at a very, very good scale, because we are giving employment to the student also. हम उनकी डिग्री कंप्लीट करवाकर उसको छोड़ते नहीं हैं. We make sure that all a student, if the student is eligible, of course the student have to complete their attendance. Of course the student have to have, you know, good academic completion, and then we make sure that we place them. So the program that I'm talking about is known as Culinary Arts and Hotel and Restaurant Management Program.
Okay.
So this is a 2-year program. 2-year program made of 2 certificate. Okay. In Canada, in order to become a chef, you need to have 3 years. So in our international program, we have 2 years. The last 3rd year of the program, if you are willing to become a good chef or a Red Seal chef in Canada, so you have to do the 3rd year also, which you will only be able to do once you are a PR in Canada. So we have that 2 years with us as of now, and that 2 years is known as Culinary Arts and Hotel and Restaurant Management. The first year is your Culinary Arts certificate, and the second year is your Hotel and Restaurant Management. Now, the Culinary Arts certificate that Cyprus College have, this is provincially recognized. This is approved by the government of Alberta. I believe that you all know that we are a private college, but a culinary arts certificate is approved by the government. बहुत सारे students होते हैं जो कहते हैं कि मुझे government approved program चाहिए. So
Yes,
rest
sir.
assured, yeah. So हमारा जो first year का program है, which is culinary arts certificate, this is approved by the government of Alberta, and this is highly recognized if you take the certificate anywhere in Canada. Okay. So the structure of the program is that we don't have semesters. We have year 1 and year 2. So the year 1 does have the entire magic in it. So our year 1 finishes in some 7 to 8 months. हमारा year 1 जो है, it is not 12 months of a program, it is only 7 to 8 months. The good part about this program is कि इसको 12 महीने नहीं चाहिए खत्म करने के लिए. ये बहुत accelerated program है. We had made it shorter. So because we have made this program shorter in 7 to 8 months, क्योंकि हमें इसको 7 से 8 महीने में खत्म करना है, हमने जो क्लासेस है वो बढ़ा दिए हैं वीक्स में. सो जनरली अगर आप कनाडा में देखोगे तो हफ्ते में 2 बार क्लासेस होते हैं, बट इन साइप्रस कॉलेज, इफ यू आर कमिंग टू साइप्रस कॉलेज, यू मे हैव टू डू 4 or 5 days in a week and maybe 5 to 6 hours in a day. Basically we have to complete 600 credit hours, जो कि हम 7 से 8 महीनों में खत्म करना हमारा टारगेट है. The reason is very simple, that वही 7 से 8 महीनों के बाद हमें स्टूडेंट्स को प्लेस करना होता है. So after that 7 to 8 months completion, when the student have that culinary arts certificate, there is a break of 5 months, which we call it a study break, जब बच्चों की छुट्टियां होती हैं. Okay.
Yes.
And we all know that in Canada, when we're not studying, when you have a break, you can work full time, right? I hope everybody knows this. So उस 5 महीनों में, 4 से 5 महीनों में जब आपका स्टडी ब्रेक होता है between year 1 and year 2, you can have that full time study permit, and आप उस वक्त आप काम कर रहे हो और जो employer के पास आप काम कर रहे हो, that is being assisted by the Cyprus College team. So it means once you finish your culinary arts certificate, the intern, you call it internship, you call it, full-time work, whatever it is, you will be assisted by Cyprus College to look for a job. So it means in short, assured placement जिसको हम कहते हैं, वो हम इसी को कहते हैं. You have to complete your 90% attendance के साथ academic completion, and after that Cyprus College will assist you for a job. Now, coming to the main point about this program, once you have an employer, once the student gets a full-time job in that study break, the student would be able to apply for their LMIA work permit. We call it LMIA work permit, which stands for Labor Market Impact Assessment. Mohit, I'm sure you have been running this agency for a very long time. There
Yes,
would be a lot of students who would be interested to know what LMIA work permit is. So we can put a little light on it कि post study work permit और LMIA work permit में क्या फर्क है and how why
yes,
should student choose LMIA work permit pathway?
yes मैम, ये क्लियर कर दीजिए, इनमें डिफरेंस क्या है, स्टूडेंट्स को क्लियर हो जाएगा।
या सो बेसिकली जो वर्क परमिट की बात मैं कर रही हूँ विच इज एन LMIA वर्क परमिट जिसको हम लेबर मार्केट इम्पैक्ट असेसमेंट कहते हैं, दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ अ वर्क परमिट। और पोस्ट स्टडी वर्क परमिट वो होता है जो आपको पब्लिक कॉलेजेस के साथ मिलता है। The if you look at the comparison is like post study work permit is an open work permit, okay? ये open work permit है in the sense आप किसी भी employer के लिए काम कर सकते हो। LMIA वर्क परमिट इज अ क्लोज्ड वर्क परमिट। यहाँ पर आपके पास एम्प्लॉयर रहता है, वो आपको जॉब देते हैं और वो आपके वर्क परमिट के लिए प्रोसेसिंग करते हैं। सो दिस इज अ क्लोज्ड वर्क परमिट वेन यू हैव एन एम्प्लॉयर, you have to work for that particular employer for at least 1 year. Okay, so this is known as LMIA work permit. The benefit of LMIA work permit over post study work permit is that ki in Canada, if you want to process your PR, it is very important for you to have an employer and that too with the same skills. Well, let's say I have done my hospitality program in Canada and I have been working in a gas station or a Walmart. So I don't see my PR that easy because it's not that easy क्योंकि skills को match करना job में और academics में बहुत important है Canada में. There are a lot of counselors who don't guide this particular thing to the student. But post study work permit का मिलना it's not PR. You have to have an employer, you have to have a job offer in Canada in order to process your PR file. The good thing about Cyprus College is that we give you an employer, we give you a real job. Now, again, getting a job in Canada is a big scam. It's a big business in Canada. आप अगर jobs देखते हो, you buy those jobs. Those are not real jobs sometimes. So I'm talking about those average students who are stuck and they are not getting PR in Canada because choice of province is actually it plays a very big role. In the province that we are and in the city we are, we really need manpower. सो अगर हम वैंकूवर और टोरंटो की बात करें तो शायद वहां पर मैन पावर की जरूरत इतनी नहीं है जितनी मेरे सिटी में है मेडिसिन हैट में, और उसका फायदा स्टूडेंट्स को उठाना चाहिए। So the reason why I am able to give an assured job to the student is just because we really need manpower and those are real jobs. जिस होटल में मैं जॉब की बात कर रही हूँ वहां पर रियल रिक्वायरमेंट है मैन पावर की और हम अपने बच्चों को ट्रेन करके उस पोजीशंस में बैठाते हैं। So we are not selling jobs, we are not buying jobs. They are very organic and very natural jobs which are coming to the student. And anybody who is wanting to work in the hotel and hotel chain should look for a province, should look for a city which is actually, they're showing requirement for trying to explain to the student. Choose a province which is looking for people, looking for immigrant, looking for manpower into hospitality sector, and Medicine Hat is one of it.
ओके मैम, जो एक क्वेश्चन था थोड़ा सा, मैम जो LMI है,
Yes, sir.
मैम साइप्रस कॉलेज है जो LMI लेने के लिए बच्चों की हेल्प करेगा LMI में, जो ओनली जो जॉब उसमें हेल्प करेगा?
Sir, I would like to clear this. Now, we assure student a job, okay? So, इसमें दो processes है. दो process ये है कि इसमें one thing है employer. So, we will assist all the student with a job offer, okay? Now, LMIA application is a guaranteed application which will be happening by Cyprus College. Every student who have completed their program, every student who have completed their first year, ओके, सो LMI एप्लीकेशन एक गारंटीड एप्लीकेशन है जो सबका होगा। नाउ वेदर द स्टूडेंट गेट्स एन LMI अप्रूव्ड और नॉट, दिस इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट। इसमें कॉलेज कोई रोल प्ले नहीं करता। कॉलेज रोल प्ले करता है एक एम्प्लॉयर का, एक रियल जॉब तक का, कि हम स्टूडेंट को एक रियल जॉब देते हैं और वो एम्प्लॉयर जो है वो LMI प्रोसेस करने के लिए वी गिव अ गारंटी टू द स्टूडेंट। नाउ LMI इज समटाइम्स नेगेटिव, इट्स समटाइम पॉजिटिव। As of now, we have 100% LMIA positive for all the students, and we are hoping the same in the future also. But it's again under the discretion of the government whether the student gets an LMIA approved or not. This is very similar to the visa process that happens in India, Mohit. Once
Yes,
we
ma'am.
get a student with all the requirement, we have IELTS for the student, we have all the academic requirements for the student, but we still do not guarantee them a visa, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But we say that yes, your chances are good, we have good hopes in you. LMIA exactly is the same process.
ओके मैम, ये तो क्लियर हो गया मैम। इसके बाद इनटेक्स का मुझे स्टूडेंट्स को
Yeah.
बता दीजिए, कौन से इनटेक अवेलेबल है साइप्रस कॉलेज में?
So the intakes that we have is we have alternate intakes. So we have intakes every alternate months. For example, we were open for January. Now we are open for March. So we have 5 intakes in a year. So you don't need to wait for September or coming May. It's good that we have March in between. You're good to apply for March intake. Being in a private school, there are a lot of benefits. We are very flexible. We are very robust. We can have you for March. We can have you for April. So we can have intakes when we have a good amount of required student. We can have intakes every month. Actually, that's the fact.
ओके मैम, ट्यूशन फीस अप्रॉक्स इस प्रोग्राम्स की इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए?
Okay. So before I come to the tuition fees, Mohit, I would like to cover up one more point that there would be a lot of students who would be saying that because LMIA work permit का आना ये गारंटी नहीं है, उसके लिए बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स जो है वो क्वेश्चन करते हैं कि मैम अगर ये गारंटी नहीं हुआ तो क्या, राइट? अगर हमारा नेगेटिव LMIA आ जाता है तो क्या? Now, I would like to tell to the student that you have to be confident enough that you complete your attendance and your classes regularly, and there are very, very good chances of you getting an LMIA approved. Now, if I should know and you should know that if you have an LMIA approved in your hand, you are 95% closer to your PR. So
यस।
if I am a student, I would always see it as a positive side that yes, I will get an LMI approved. Why not? If I am completing my class, why won't I get an LMI approved? And there are always chances to reapply. If the student they don't get an LMI approved, they continue with their studies for the second year with Cyprus College and they can reapply for their LMI because LMI is always a very superior option for the student. Now, let's say, I got a 10 student and out of that 2 student, one of the student was not able to complete their attendance for XYZ reason and still the student is in Canada. What we can do for that student is we have an articulation program with the community college in Canada for the second year. So if the student is saying that LMIA mera refuse ho gaya hai, what should I do? Now we have an articulation program with the public college in Manitoba, and then the student will transfer the second year to that college, and they will have the post-study work permit option too. So हमारे पास दोनों options है students के लिए.
ओके, दोनों ऑप्शन है, दैट्स ग्रेट। मैम नेक्स्ट, इनके लिए फीस के लिए थोड़ा क्लियर कर दो। तो क्लियर हो गया LMIA के बच्चे को LMIA की प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी, वर्क परमिट की प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी। अगर LMIA में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है तो वो पोस्ट स्टडी वर्क परमिट ले सकता है वेरी इजीली।
बिल्कुल ले सकता है, बिल्कुल।
नेगेटिव पॉइंट कहीं नहीं है इसमें, उसको वर्क परमिट मिलेगा ही मिलेगा, ये
बिल्कुल
कंफर्म।
मिलेगा, लेकिन हम चाहते हैं कि स्टूडेंट को LMIA वर्क परमिट के बारे में एजुकेट किया जाए बिकॉज स्टूडेंट शुड नो दैट LMIA वर्क परमिट एक क्लोज वर्क परमिट रहने का फायदा क्या है स्टूडेंट के पास, कितनी जल्दी वो PR प्रोसेस कर सकते हैं LMIA वर्क परमिट के लिए। एंड आई एम श्योर मोहित, इफ द स्टूडेंट इज सिटिंग विद यू फॉर काउंसलिंग, you will help them with the details, right?
यस मैम।
Yeah.
मैम
And
ट्यूशन
coming to the tuition fees, yeah.
Yes.
So we have the tuition fee for the first year. We always talk about the first year because we assume that the student would only do the first year with us because first year के बाद the student have the work permit, LMIA work permit, and they take away the pathway of PR then. So the first year fees that we have is 16,500. Now, our certificate, the first year certificate is quite very recognized and it is quite very, the licensing of that certificate is very important for us. Now, 16,500 may sometimes sound very, very big to the student because students sometimes look very affordable options in Canada. So if I give you the breakup of the 16,500, the tuition fees of our program is only 11,770. And in the 16,500, we have our application fees, we have that LOA fees, we have your, the other pieces that which are involved with this program, which is your material fees, your new laptop, Every student would be given a new laptop, their textbooks, their culinary tools, their other material costs, everything is included in 16,500.
ओके, ये
Yeah.
टोटल उसकी कॉस्ट रहेगी।
Simple. This is the total cost. There is no hidden cost. Everything from top to end, the student is only supposed to pay 16,500. Of course, there is a cost for LMIA application, which is directly payable to the lawyer. So we have RCIC registered lawyers working with us for LMIA application for the students. उस वक्त स्टूडेंट को LMIA एप्लीकेशन के लिए पे करना पड़ेगा, जो कि कॉलेज में पे नहीं होता है, डायरेक्टली लॉयर्स को पे होता है, एंड इट शुड बी
लॉयर
समथिंग अराउंड $4,000.
ओके, ठीक है
या
मैम। रिक्वायरमेंट्स क्या है, एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया क्या है हमारा स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, एकेडमिक, आइल्स स्कोर?
Yeah. So for academics, if we talk about academics, of course, I never talk about what are the requirements for a college, because ultimately the student should always focus कि मुझे वीजा कैसे मिलेगा, because ultimately story वहीं पर खत्म होती है. You need a visa, I need a good student, and that's what it is. So if we talk about the college, we take 50% and above. The acceptance of a student is above 50%. And it is not very rigid कि 50% ही होना चाहिए. There should be a balance. Now, let's say we have a student who have 7 bands in their IELTS, but they have 48% or 45% in their academic. We cannot say no to the student, because that student still deserve to get an admission with a college. Okay. But there are two things कि college का acceptance क्या है और visa का acceptance क्या है. Everybody knows that visa के लिए 6 each in IELTS is a very good profile, right?
Yes ma'am, yes.
For us, we can accept 5.5 in 1 or 2 module. But I always talk कि visas के लिए क्या successful है. Sometimes student gets their luck with 5.5 in 2 also, 5.5 in 1 also. So generally we need 6 overall, with not less than 5.5. But my suggestion to the students are always that if you have 5.5 in one module, it's worth trying your IELTS once again, get it to 6 bands, and make your visa success higher.
ओके, ठीक है मैम। इसमें मैम पीटी एक्सेप्टेबल है, ओनली आइल्स है?
Of course, we accept PTE, we accept TOEFL, we accept IELTS. There should be any English proficiency. And looking at the COVID time, Mohit, I think अभी तो बीच में Duolingo भी accept हो रहा था. But better than that is PTE, better than that is IELTS General or IELTS. Abhi, I am sure your student knows that even IELTS Generals is acceptable into SDS, right?
ओके,
Yeah, so we just got an update that even IELTS General भी accept हो रहा है SDS के लिए. So I think there are a lot of options to the student. The best they are good to go.
ओके मैम, आपके इंटरनेट की थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम थी, मे बी आप रिपीट कर दीजिए।
Yeah, so anybody who is wanting to make their career into hospitality, they are good for admission. We can take a graduate, we can take 12th pass students, not a problem. There are a lot of students who are confused that diploma हम graduation के बाद नहीं ले सकते. This is not right. We had an open diploma. हमारा diploma graduate भी ले सकता है, 12th के बाद भी student ले सकता है. That's the benefit of Cyprus College diploma. And because we are a hospitality program, we don't focus much on academics. You can apply even if you have 48%, even if you have 45%, you are good to go. Question आता है कि आपको वीजा मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा. I'm sure Gladius is the right person and the right team to help you. What would get you a visa? But we are good to accept you because हमारे hospitality के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा credentials की जरूरत हमें नहीं है.
ओके मैम, कुछ गैप का रहेगा, गैप कितने इयर्स का एक्सेप्टेबल रहेगा आपके लिए?
For me as a college, I would also accept 11 years of gap or 12 years of gap, because I cannot say no to any student coming to me, because मेरा admission सबके लिए open है, right? Now,
Okay.
we have a student who was working in a Taj hotel, and he had 11 years of experience, but the good part was he was working in a hotel. Now, when I talk about a gap, there are two different things. एक gap ऐसा है जब बच्चे ने कुछ भी नहीं किया, एक gap ऐसा है जब बच्चे ने होटल में काम किया है. So
Work experience.
both cases are very different cases. It is entirely, on the discretion of what the student have done on that particular time frame. If the student have relevant experience, they are very very good to go, and I think वो experience उनका काम आएगा visas के लिए.
Yes ma'am. मैम
Yeah.
नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज लिविंग कॉस्ट क्या रहेगी मेडिसिन हैट में? लिविंग कॉस्ट बच्चों को, जो स्टूडेंट्स आ रहा है उसको अकोमोडेशन का, ये लिविंग
Yeah.
कॉस्ट टोटल नहीं रहेगी?
So Medicine Hat is a very affordable city in Alberta. I would say that Medicine Hat, compared to any other province or any other city, we are very affordable. Last जो हमारे students गए थे, I'm not talking about the COVID times because COVID is something जो students हमारे fly हो रहे हैं December के लिए, it is little bit expensive, which is around $800 for a month, wherein we have allocated a room in a hotel and the student would start their classes in the hotel itself. So I'm talking about the general time accommodation जब COVID नहीं है and the flight restrictions have been taken away and the student would start their classes. So the accommodation in Medicine Hat would cost the student around $600 or $550 nearly. Now, the good point about our accommodation is that we don't have a PG or something like that. We let the student stay with a Canadian family. So we have a homestay option where the student would be given a family in Canada and the student have to live with them. Now, this is not necessarily the student should choose a homestay option because this is something which we recommend them to choose because for initial 1 or 2 months, the student should live with a Canadian family in order to get, adjusted to the environment. That's what we want, and this will cost them around $550 to $600. And the good part is, in our accommodation, in our homestay, we make sure that the meals are included. The student is not supposed to be worried about the meals. The electricity bill is included, the internet bill is included, everything is included in the accommodation, which is around $550 to $600 for a month.
ओके मैं वन थिंग मोर,
Yeah.
स्टूडेंट कॉलेज के टाइम, स्टडी के टाइम उसको पार्ट टाइम जॉब की अवेलेबिलिटी कितनी है? यहाँ पे पार्ट टाइम जॉब स्टूडेंट को मिल रही है?
Yeah. So, coming to the part-time job availabilities in Medicine Hat, I would like to put a focus on Medicine Hat area. Now, Medicine Hat is a tourist place, okay? So,
ओके
we have millions of tourists coming every year, and we have thousands of tourist places here, restaurants, hotels, and casinos. Now, when I say that if I go to Goa and if I look for a part-time job in hotels, I'm sure I'll get a job because Goa is a tourist place and everybody would get a job there, right? In sector of hospitality. Similarly, Medicine Hat is exactly the same. If I am going to a tourist place and I am working and I'm wanting to work in a hotel, there are thousands of jobs available. And the good part is that Cyprus College will also help you assist you job for a part-time jobs. So we will be assisting the students for part-time jobs also.
ओके
Yeah.
मैम नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज कोविड-19 रेडीनेस प्लान साइप्रस कॉलेज के लिए,
Yes.
इसके लिए
So
स्टूडेंट्स को थोड़ा अवेयर कर दीजिए।
we are in the approved TLI list, and that's a good news for everybody. And we have a few students flying for December also. All the students who have got their passport stamping done before March, they are flying this December. We have a hotel room ready for them. It's everything is arranged, so it's all good, and we are planning for a March intake now. So we are praying that flight restrictions are taken away and the students can fly in a normal way. So we are approved by the government and the students are good to go. Yes.
ओके मैम इसमें स्टूडेंट फ्लाई कर सकते तो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस की तो उसको जरूरत नहीं रहेगी यहाँ पे?
Because we are an entirely practical thing, we cannot start our classes online. For let's say we have an application for March intake, we will not start our online classes and it will be deferred to the next intake. If March doesn't happen, it will be May, but it will always be a physical class. We cannot start a class online because it is entirely kitchen, it is entirely practical school. So we cannot start that online.
ओके मैम मे बी एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर, हमने सब कुछ
I
क्लियर
think
कर दिया
so.
साइप्रस कॉलेज के रिगार्डिंग। अगर कोई स्टूडेंट्स का कोई क्वेश्चंस है वो मैम से क्लियर कर सकते हो।
So if you have any question, guys, please put up in the comment section. Mohit can address to that question, and we have very flexible scheme for tuition fees also. Mohit, once a student comes to you for counseling, please let them know. And
ओके
so we are very affordable. And guys, somebody who are wanting to settle in Canada, working in a hotel sector, I think Cyprus College is a very very good option for you because ultimately in Canada, in order to settle down, what you need is a placement, is a job under the same sector. बिकॉज कई स्टूडेंट्स कनाडा चले जाते हैं एंड वो इधर उधर काम करते हैं, अपने फील्ड में काम नहीं करते हैं. this causes them trouble to have their PR in Canada. The good thing about Cyprus College is we will help you look for a job in hotel. We will help you take a full-time job in a hotel. So your pathway towards your PR is very, very smooth. That's what we help you for. And if you choose that LMIA pathway that we are offering to the student, I must say that the student would have their PR in 3 years. This is what we are seeing with the student, and in 3 years they are having their PR. So if you compare a public college with our college, public college में आपने पूरी पढ़ाई complete करनी है, then पूरा work permit आपने complete करना है. For example, the student is going there for 2 years of program. They have to finish the entire 2 years. Then they will finish the entire work permit जो 3 साल का है उसके बाद PR. यहाँ पर the student can process their PR in 1.5 months. 1.5 साल में student अपना PR process कर सकते हैं and they're not supposed to finish the second year, right? सेकेंड ईयर बच्चे को पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, वो हमेशा PR के बाद बच्चा कंटिन्यू कर सकता है सेकेंड ईयर की पढ़ाई, जो कि उसको डोमेस्टिक फीस में करनी पड़ेगी, इंटरनेशनल फीस में नहीं करनी पड़ेगी. ये एक बहुत बड़ा फायदा है, बच्चे का पूरा 1 साल बच जाता है, बच्चे का 1 साल का फीस बच जाता है. एंड वी आर नॉट सेइंग द स्टूडेंट टू stop your studies. We are saying the student to get a PR and then continue the studies with Cyprus College.
ओके मैम,
Yeah.
एवरीथिंग क्लियर हो गया स्टूडेंट्स के डाउट से जो साइप्रस का कॉलेज का था, वो सब कुछ
Yeah.
डिटेल्स शेयर हो चुकी है स्टूडेंट्स के लिए. एंड एट लास्ट, थैंक फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम for this
Thank
live
you.
session.
Thank you, Rohit. So students, we look forward to have you on board for March session. We have very limited seats for March intake. If you are interested, please get in touch with Gladius Overseas and we will take up your applications. And we look forward to see you on board. Thank you so much, Rohit, for your time.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.